Yan yung airplane, guys. Sasakyan namin. Papasok na sa yan. Sakay na.
Naman eh, bati, 15.
Refilling complete.
Ang lamig. Lakas ng aircon. No. 24. Hello.
15. Dire ka at konti.
Pang para may pulot ba?
Ito mga video ito, mga kay guwapa ito, mga kabin ko.
Kawaras kasi isa. 24, 23, 24.
May we request guests to kindly safeguard all loose items, especially hard objects, such as flasks, tumblers, and electronic devices inside your baggage before storing it in the overhead bin. In line with this, please take caution in securing your
24,
carry-on bucket, and when opening the bin to prevent items from falling off. Thank you.